Tired of scattered contact info and ready to streamline your customer relationships? Let's dive into Zoho CRM and master the art of adding contacts, whether one by one or in bulk. First, navigate to the Contacts module located on the left-hand side of your Zoho CRM screen. To add a single contact manually, click the Create Contact button. This will open a new contact form. Fill in the relevant details, such as first name, last name, email address, company, and any other pertinent information you want to track. Be as thorough as possible to build a comprehensive contact profile. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click the Save button at the bottom of the form. Congratulations, you've just added a new contact. Now, let's tackle bulk importing in the Contacts module. Find and click on the three dots at the top right and select Import. You'll see various options for importing contacts, including CSV files, other CRM systems, and even email address books like Google or Outlook. Choose the option that suits your needs. If you're importing from a CSV file, select Browse to upload your file. Ensure your CSV is properly formatted with column headers that match the Zoho CRM fields. Also, make sure to select the correct character encoding for your file to avoid any display issues. Next, you'll map the columns from your CSV file to the corresponding fields in Zoho CRM. This step is crucial to ensure your data is imported correctly. Once you've mapped all the fields, click the Import button. Zoho CRM will then process your file and add all the contacts to your database, and that's it. You've successfully imported contacts in bulk. Now you can spend less time on manual entry and more time connecting with your customers.